Is this the world's smartest monopod? iFootage Cobra 3 A180F review. You won't believe this. Ever feel like your camera gear is secretly plotting against you? Like, you're ready to create magic, but your tripod takes a full Netflix episode to set up. One wrong move and boom, your $2,000 camera wobbles like it's drunk. We get it. The creative flow is fragile. You need tools that vibe with your rhythm, not fight it. When your gear kills momentum, motivation flatlines. That's why the iFootage Cobra 3 A180F exists. It's for creators who are done wrestling with bulky, slow, and risky setups. If you're tired of missing the shot, you're not alone, and this might be your golden ticket. Let's be brutally honest. Your current rig is costing you shots. You're scrambling to get set up while the moment's already slipping away. The pressure's high, time's short, and you're stuck fiddling with leg locks and twisty knobs like it's a game of angry Jenga. Your footage suffers. Your client notices. You burn out. Creative joy becomes a stress-fueled hustle. That's the dirty little secret in production: bad gear ruins good creators. You don't just miss shots, you miss opportunities. So why tolerate tools that limit you? It's not your skills holding you back. It's the junk you're dragging around. Enter the iFootage Cobra 3 A180F plus Komodo K5, the holy grail of monopods. This isn't just aluminum, it's adrenaline for your camera. One-touch height shifts, low-angle wizardry, and a fluid head smoother than your pickup lines. This beast adapts faster than your talent. Stable, light, collapsible, sexy. It's the Swiss Army knife of monopods. Whether you're trekking the Rockies or filming weddings in 3-inch heels, this rig flexes hard. Telescopic precision? Check. Detachable magic pole? Yep. Freakishly stable base? Oh yeah. This thing isn't gear, it's a creative weapon. You don't just shoot better, you feel like a pro doing it. Now let's talk perks, baby. Cobra 3 simplifies your workflow like a dream: razor-sharp focus, silky pans, epic flexibility. It holds nearly 18 pounds but folds like a ninja into your backpack. 3 usage modes mean you can switch from video shoot to trekking pole to low-angle wizard in seconds. It's universally compatible and designed for creators who demand precision without the drama. Still skeptical? Thousands of filmmakers already upgraded. Some even dumped their tripods forever. Wanna know why? Hit the link, watch the full demo, and see the Cobra 3 in action. We promise, it'll mess with your definition of just a monopod. Don't sit on this, gear this good doesn't stay in stock. The iFootage Cobra 3 A180F is flying off shelves, and for good reason. It's not hype, it's legit. This thing turns stress into swagger. No more clunky setups, missed moments, or lost creative mojo. Just smooth moves, sharp angles, and big I got this energy. Plus, it's backed by real pros and real reviews. Check the socials, the forums, the fan clubs. Wanna shoot smarter? Now's your shot. Click the link. Level up. Don't be the only one left fumbling with last decade's tripod. Your future self will thank you, and so will your footage.